Good morning. We are home and rested, and I've been working on getting our suitcases unpacked, but I wanted to remind you that Mother's Day is this weekend, and I recently got the most beautiful personalized piece of book art from Legum Collections. I chose their 12 book template, but they have tons of templates representative of the 12 books from my book club last year. So it's uniquely me. It fits perfectly in the library. I smile every time I look at it. It just feels so me. And Legum Collections also has gift certificates, which I think would make the perfect Mother's Day gift for the reader in your family, or if you are the reader in your family and you want to drop a hint. This is the perfect opportunity to give a gift that you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with something that she gets to personalize for herself. It's going to be perfectly fit. So I'm going to leave a question box. If you have questions on the process, I'm happy to chat with you. Here's the link to get a certificate. The certificate will come via email, but when she does make her purchase or design her piece of art, she can use Bookcase Beauty and get free US shipping. So keep that in mind as well.